Welcome. This video will walk you through how to register for the 2025 to 2026 virtual sites for professional learning, including science, ELA, and math, being held on February 13th, 2026 virtually. Cohorts group educators by teaching role and subject area. This helps ensure professional learning is differentiated and relevant based on the courses and students you teach. Your cohort determines which sessions you'll attend during district-wide PD days. Step 1. Find your school's PL group and assign time using the link chart. You'll need this information before registering. Let's click into that link chart. You'll find PL Group 1, PL Group 2, and PL Group 3 schools. Feel free to use the shortcut Command F, type in your school to find which PL group your school is in. Step 2, navigate to the tab for your grade band and PL group so you can register for your session. Grades 9 through 12 have two different tabs. One is labeled PL Group 1 and the other is labeled PL Group 2 and 3. PL Group 2 and 3 is labeled that way because PL Group 3 high school educators will be attending sessions during the PL Group time period. And this decision has been discussed and approved by your school leaders. So if you are specifically looking for the tabs, you can either find them here or you can find them in your left-hand corner by clicking the parallel lines and finding the PL group which aligns to your school. We're going to specifically click into the section for grades 9 through 12 educators in PL groups 2 and 3. We're going to use the table to find your correct session for February 13th. Start by identifying what you teach, then move across the row to confirm your cohort and the professional learning focus. If you teach science only, your cohort A and will attend Science PD and click to register for your science content area and Power School here. If you teach math and science only, you're in cohort B and will also attend Science PD and click to register for your science content area and Power School here. If you teach multiple subjects of science, prioritize your PD in this order. Number 1, biology. Number 2, chemistry. Number 3, physics. Number 4, environmental science. And number 5, physical science. If you teach ELA only, register under cohort C for ELA PD and click to register for your 9 to 12 ELA session in Power School here. If you teach math only, register under cohort D for Math PD and click to register for your math content area and Power School here. If you are a teacher of Algebra 1A or pre-calculus, you should register under cohort E and click to register for your math content area and Power School here or here. If you teach multiple subjects of math, prioritize them in this order. Number 1, Algebra 1. Number 2, pre-calculus. Number 3, geometry. And number 4, Algebra 2. And click to register for your math content area aligned to the order of priorities just shared. If you are a special education teacher or ESOL teacher, you're going to click the Overview tab to make sure you review the directions that are here for you specifically for our SPED teachers who are learning support, emotional support, and deaf and hard of hearing. If you have not been pre-registered, you can go back to the tab we were just on and select a math session. If you are a 9 to 12 ESOL teacher, you should attend the PD for the subject for which you are a teacher of record using the info up in the tab we were just in as well, or PL Group 1 to navigate to register for your session as well. If you are an ELD 1 and an ELD 2 teacher who does not teach sheltered English and have not been pre-registered, you're going to click here to lead you back to the catalog to register. If you have additional questions about which session you are attending, you're going to email diverselearners@philasd.org. And for all other special education roles that were not listed above, you're going to click here for your February 13th session. If you have any questions about the session, you can always reach out to for the math sessions, math@philasd.org. For the ELA sessions, ELA@philasd.org. And for the science sessions, science@philasd.org. When it comes to materials, we want to be prepared. For high school science, bring a fully charged laptop, your teacher's guide, and a writing tool. For ELA math, bring a fully charged laptop and a writing tool. Thank you, and we hope you have a really great time at your professional learning session.